Welcome back, traders. You are watching Altrady, the #1 multi-exchange crypto trading platform. It's time for our weekly Bitcoin update, so let's analyze it together. Bitcoin is still leading the game. Altcoins still lagging. You track them, maybe you expect a breakout, but they keep playing a supporting role. Yes, there is correlation, but there is not enough. Ethereum and Ripple are keeping pace. Solana, Doji and Binance, they are on different tracks, driven by different fundamentals. And in an institutional phase like this, that divergence matters. Let's talk serious capital. In the last 14 days, over 3 billion has flowed into Bitcoin ETF. Institutions are stepping hard. MicroStrategy keeps buying, pushing up its average entry price. Their goal is crystal clear, become a full-blown Bitcoin bank. And they are doing it quietly, steadily, no hype, just long-term vision and steady hands. If you have been watching our previous videos, and if you haven't, go check them out. We call it Bitcoin follow our forecast to the letter. Perfect entry into the institutional cycle, technical levels respected, targets hit. There is no luck, there is analysis, strategy and discipline. The signals were all there. There is one stat that you need to watch. The long-short ratio has dropped below 1. That means more shorts than longs, even though Bitcoin is sitting above 94k. And historically, when the market is this unbalanced, a squeeze is never far off. The big players are just waiting for the right moment to trigger the stops. The price has been flat for 8 days since the April 22 spike. But under that stillness, there is structure. Textbook, Elliott waves, clean accumulation before and after every push. The 30-period moving average just crossed the 50 upward. And if we run a volume profile across this trend, it's clear that buyers are stepping in, sellers are backing off. So, next top target, 98.5k, that is a key level, top edge of the previous distribution range. Heavy liquidity in that zone, a lot of open interest sitting there. So that's why the price is stuck here. We are in a delicate, quiet positioning phase. It takes patience, but if you know, you know. So Bitcoin has entered a different phase, less noise, more substance, less FOMO, more strategy. So now it's time to stay sharp and stay focused. Keep following us here on Altrady, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. The next days could be interesting.